Hello everyone. Again, welcome you all. So, in this class, we will practice odd and out. So, first of all, we will understand what is odd and what are the natural, right? So, if I am drawing like this, suppose I am drawing this circle. Again I am drawing a circle, and now I am gonna draw a square, right? So tell me children, which is odd from here? This one, or this one? As we know, this is a circle, this is also a circle, but this is a square. So obviously this is an odd. Now suppose I am drawing this one. This is a leaf, this is another leaf, and this is a tree. So tell me children, which is odd over here? As we can see, this is a leaf, this is another leaf, but this is a whole tree. So this one is odd. Now another example I am showing you, a hut. Now another hut, and here one man. Suppose it's a man. So tell me, which is odd over here? Yes, very good children. This is odd over here. So we need to pick out the odd one. Now let us practice through our worksheet. Yes, you can see this is a very good worksheet for you all. If you practice it, you will understand what is odd. So here you can see one ice cream is there, and this is an umbrella, this is another one, and this one also another umbrella, right? So now, do you love to eat ice creams? Yes, I also love. So you see, three umbrellas are there, and this one is an ice cream. So circle has been done here. Why? From the rest, because this is the odd. Here you can see one swimming tube, this is also a swimming tube, this one also swimming tube, this one also a swimming tube, but this one is surfboard. This is what? A surfboard. So we will circle it as it is different from the rest. This is a ball, the number 3 ball. This one is also ball. This is coconut water, another ball. So obviously it is clearly understood that this is different from the rest. So this is odd. Here this has been done. Okay. So books are there, 3 books and 1 trophy. So this is odd. This is odd. Here like painting brush, this is painting brush, this one another one painting brush, and this is also a painting brush. But this is a crayon of pink color. So obviously this should be circled, or yes, this is odd one. Now this one I am leaving for you. You understand and do it by yourself, right? Okay, take care everybody.